Want to stop people from commenting on your Facebook posts? Here's how to do it quickly. First, open the Facebook app on your phone. Tap on your profile picture to go to your profile. Now, scroll down and find the post where you want to turn off comments. Once you find it, tap the three dots in the top right corner of that post. A menu will appear. From here, tap on Who can comment on your post. Now you'll see a few options. To completely stop comments, select profiles and pages you mention. Here's the trick. If you don't mention anyone in the post, then no one will be able to comment. And just like that, comments are effectively turned off. If you still want some interaction, you can choose Friends instead of fully disabling comments. Keep in mind, this option may not be available on all posts, especially older ones or shared content. And that's how you turn off comments on Facebook posts.